Welcome, today I'm showing how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from Power Key into XIAOMI 12T. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find additional settings option. Here scroll down one more time and find Gensur shortcuts, this one option. And here go into launch Google Assistant. And now this option is unlinked from Power Key. This position or switcher it's turn off this option, so if you want to link, need to activate this option. Here we got a message that start using Google Assistant. Okay, and let's try. Press and hold. And how you can see, our Google Assistant is activated. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.